Here's the quad that fell into the water. Hopefully the motors are still good. I have a couple extra motors over here if I need them. But the old ESC off of there, it's in pretty rough shape. It got waterlogged and just crumbled apart. And flight controller, something burned down on the back of it. Even the VTX, it's weird, I had an antenna break off in here. So part of the antenna is still stuck in there. I don't even know if that VTX works or not. But anyway, I'm going to use a different VTX, Steadyview. Obviously, I'm going to put this beautiful F4 into here. And it did, it did have a 2020, and this one is a 30-30, 30 by 30. So the camera's still on here. I got an extra camera if I need it. And I got a couple Steadyview antennas too. So I'm going to be working on that project. I'll take my time on it. No rush. I got a couple extra ones to fly, so that's not a problem. But that's it.